So today I want to talk a little bit about the orientation of our crisscross arms. And we have a little leg vise demo set up here. So this of course is our chop. This would represent the leg in your workbench. So sometimes we have customers that end up installing the crisscross arms in a different way, and then they have some extreme toe in here that they can't really explain. So we thought we'd take a little video and explain the correct way to do it. As you can see, the crisscross arms are actually identical. There are two castings. They're both the same, but there's really only one way that they can go together and work properly. So each arm mounts to the chop and the leg either via a pivot pin or by retro brackets. And those two mounting points pivot, and those pivot points go through these holes on the top of the crisscross arms, and that's what they hang from. The bottom of the crisscross arms rub inside on two steel bearing plates that they're not connected to, which is why you can move that like that. There's a little bit of play in there, and there's play on the inside plate as well. So those just rub on the plates. So when these get installed, sometimes we'll have customers that will install the crisscrosses so the holes at the top are oriented this direction. And this is the incorrect way. So if you can imagine, these are mounted in the crisscross arm. When they come together, the distances here are different than when they're oriented correctly. So in order to change this to the correct orientation, you simply pull the pivot pin and then swing it past each other and reconnect. And that's the correct way to orient the crisscross arms so they work correctly. Otherwise your toe-in will be incorrect.